How to delete browsing history, shorts do cat have feelings, or how to sound smart in meetings? No worries. Let's delete your browsing history before anyone finds out. Open Chrome app. At top right corner, tap the three vertical dots. Select History. And boom, everything you have browsed right there. Tap Delete Browsing History at top of the screen. Now choose the time range, last hour. Take Browsing History, Cookies and Cache if you want a deeper clean. Tap Delete Data. To confirm, again tap Delete, and your last hour storage history is gone. And just like that, your browser clean, your secrets are safe, and you are ready to search again with confidence. Smash like if your history is now clean. Comment for favorite browser trick. Subscribe for more Android hacks, and catch you in the next time.